You know, here's a question that I don't hear anybody asking, and I don't see any articles or any papers on it in PubMed or anywhere. And this is the question. Who is developing a test to determine how many ACE2 receptors an individual is carrying in their nasal passages or their lung epithelium? ACE2 receptors are what the virus attaches to upon entry into the human body. And curiously enough, you might think, oh, well, the more of those you have, the greater your infection is going to be and the more severe. But the fact is, and I just read this recently, children have a large number of ACE2 receptors in their nasal passages, and that's why they don't get as sick. Because the ACE2 receptors have some effect on how the body absorbs the virus or not. And that mechanism I don't clearly understand yet, but I do understand that elderly folks or frail people or people who aren't as fundamentally healthy have fewer ACE2 receptors, and that is why they get sicker. Now, this may just apply to the Delta variant, or it might apply to all strains of the variant. I'm not sure, but the ACE2 receptor level is relevant and important. And to my mind, if one knows by diagnostic means whether they have a high level of ACE2s or a low level, it would seem to me then that would affect how they would prepare in the event of being infected, or how hospitals and other facilities can create treatment protocols for incoming patients. If they first know, oh, this is a high ACE2 or a low ACE2, we'll use this protocol versus that one. There's enough known about how the virus enters the body and where it goes first and what happens next. I'm hoping somebody in a research lab is addressing this so that a test can be developed. If antibodies can be detected and T cells can be detected, why can't ACE2 receptors be detectable by some means? Just the latest question from Ruth Ann Talks.